Hey everybody, Patrick here. Hope you're all doing great. I just want to talk to you guys really quick about a couple things. Supplements. I know a lot of people are really interested in supplements and trying to make sure that they're taking the best care of themselves possible, and we want to help you do that. And so we've created a few different ways to take better advantage of our services here to improve your wellness. We have new wellness packages. Two of them include our micronutrient testing, so we can find what insufficiencies you might have and target those specifically with some supplements to help bolster you up and get you to the peak performance that you could possibly be. And second, due to a crowd favorite last year in Wellness Matters, Joelle Daniels is going to be our upcoming Wellness Matters. She is coming back to talk about supplements, surprise, but she's going to really focus in on the supplements that are going to take you that extra notch up, that extra level to make sure that you're performing better than anybody else around you and best that you could possibly be. All right, if you're interested, you can follow the link down below. It's going to be March 18th, starts at 6 p.m. I'll see you on Zoom.